How's everybody doing? We're coming up on Thanksgiving, and this lovely kit was gifted to me by a coworker who knew that I enjoy putting together Lego, and so we are going to work on this 812-piece centerpiece for Thanksgiving. Getting into the box is always the hardest. Let's see what we got. And I like to work on these trays I got from IKEA. Super helpful to separate everything out, keep everything nice and organized. All right, that is it. That is our book. And this does have a couple different configurations. So the one that we're going to be doing is this, because we only have a singular set. But you can also, if you buy multiples, you can do it in a ring format, like this. But it requires 3 of these, and I only have the one, so we're going to do this. And then possibly when I'm done with it, I may hang it somewhere. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. So there are 7 bags and 2 sets of books. Okay. Let's see here. One of these is going to start. So this picks up with book number 4. And this starts with number 1. Gives you some information about the creator, which is always fun to read. All right. And I guess my printer has decided to do something, I don't know. All right, so we're going to start with section 1. Which we will create this, and once we open section 2, we'll be creating this, and 3 this. So we're gonna try to accomplish this right now. This is no away. We're gonna work on this little by little. We always get a brick separator. I've probably got a dozen of those by now. I always like to take my pieces and separate them out by color. And I think what I'm gonna do is put another tray right next to me. So I have a working tray and a parts tray. Alrighty then. So interesting that the instructions show I only need 1 of these, but the image shows 2. So I typically always go by the image. 3 in. So let me find another one. Usually I have more light to work with out here, but right now I don't. And that will change, trust me. So we're going to go in this way. And this way, and you guys are going between. So here's the first little bit. So this was the piece that it only showed me needing 1, but it actually is 2. and then we need two of you and two of you. And there's only two, so that works out. And then that's one section, and then we need two of you and one of you. Okay. So we're going to take these guys. Step up, step up. So that's the next section. We added these in these two gray pieces and then this brace right here. And now we're going to add these two black pieces there and this in the middle. And so that's how we ended up with that. Chickity chick. So this one we added a plate here and then one that has a hole. And then this section there. So this page is giving a little bit of an explanation about this piece, and this is actually a mounting plate bracket so that you can mount this on your wall. So this will come in handy later. Super. Put that there. That's the reason why there's the hole. Because it goes right over the hole. So we basically added the mounting bracket and then some support to it and an extension on the base. And then a little notation in here, it says built into each side of the model is a 2x6 plate with a mounting bracket. So you can hang your decoration on the wall. This special element first appears in Dots products. That's pretty fun. I've yet to play with Dots. There's a particular set that I want, so I'm hoping that I get it for you all one year. Who knows? Two of those. Two of those. Two of these. And one of these. And then I need these two. And these two. We're almost out of parts for section 1. Alrighty then. So looks like we are filling in this top piece. then it's gonna connect that. Ooh, very nice. Okay, so we just added some smooth plates here and then the additional plates here. Guys, we're almost done. 2 of those and 1 of those. That's going top of it. Okay. It's interesting. So we just added another half shape with some smooth tops on it. So 4, let's see these guys. 1 of that, that's this, and 2 of those. So now we're going to take these, which are smooth, and we're just going to basically continue that along here. This piece is going to go right there. And these are fun parts. These can go in different. Boop, 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 boop. We got a couple of those that we're going to add in. The top here. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Only a few more parts, and then we are done with this section. This is super fun. So, all right, you're gonna go here. See that. You out. So looks like you're going here. And I guess you need to line up that. Okay. Because these move, when we place them down in here, we're having to line up the piece with the other one. So it's very important to make sure that you pay attention which direction the hinge is facing. We got our first set of plants. There's a little leaf. This guy, and then these 4. No spare parts here. Okay. So you are going here. Now the fun part is to figure out where this is sitting. Exactly. So we'll do it that way. That's what I thought. And leaf up. So you go there and you go there. All right. Our first section is done. Only took us a few minutes, but this is what it looks like. First section. Can't wait to finish it.